Hi YouTubers, fans, subscribers, everybody that's viewing. What I'm going to do right now is recite one of my poems titled hashtag Melanin Mondays. And once again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all the wonderful things that you do. Hashtag Melanin Mondays. So they hashtag Melanin Mondays, all while not being happy in their own skins. Then they craft their bodies, creating a filtered image to the world, while despising the natural beauty within. It's like colorblind racism, declaring war against those of your own biological makeup. It's like we tear each other down that in hopes one day we're able to rise above. What happened to our women? What happened to our men? What happened to if I lose, I still win because I'm great? It's only an obstacle. It's not the end. Let's look back in retrospect and take back the day when queens didn't need approval, when we relentlessly paved ways. What happened to sitting in that circle of friends that believed you had so much to say? Or what about carrying on a different perspective to humanity day by day? Men, what about being kings enticed by the betterment that destroys the dynamics of tainted power? Or loving the alluring woman whose presence lingers like that of a strong tower? Let's take back what's ours, a love for our counterparts and a desire for all things that bring upon light. Let's give Hollywood back their preconceived notions of what they want us to believe is the ideal life. Body modifications, timeless deaths, horrid stereotypes. It's not what we were created for. It's just not right. So if you have to put forth all your effort and fight with all your might, keep doing it to no avail. Keep fighting the good fight. And once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like it, tell me what you think. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to let me inspire you guys.